Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to search for large files in Windows 11. For this, first open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E key or any other method that you prefer to use. In the File Explorer window, select the folder, or if you want to search in entire PC, then select this PC. Then in top right corner in the search box, type a star and wait for a few seconds. This and then a search options will appear here. Click on this one search options button. Then select here size. In case it does not appear immediately, you need to wait a few seconds. After that, again try. It will appear size, and here you can choose empty, tiny, a small, medium, large, huge, and gigantic. In case it does not match your preferred option, suppose you want to search larger files than 5 GB, then just remove this one star and type like this size colon greater than symbol and your desired size, such as I want to find more than 3 GB files only, so I will put here only greater than 3 GB. Then in search results only those files will appear that are larger than 3 GB. Like this you can search for any custom size files on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.